Do you enjoy reading books? Did you enjoy reading books in that time? Do they play any musical instruments? Did they play any musical instruments last year? Do we need to buy groceries for dinner? Did we need to buy groceries for dinner yesterday? Do I have your permission to borrow your car? Did I have your permission to borrow your car last week? Do the birds migrate during the winter? Did the birds migrate during the winter season? Do your friends like to go hiking? Did your friends like to go hiking in the past? Do these shoes come in a different color? Did these shoes come in a different color before? Do you need help with your homework? Did you need help with your homework back then? Do the students have a break between classes? Did the students have a break between classes previously? Does he speak any foreign languages? Did he speak any foreign languages during his travels? Does she work out at the gym regularly? Did she work out at the gym consistently in the past? Does it rain a lot in this region? Did it rain a lot in that region when you visited? Does John usually take the train to work? Did John usually take the train to work before he got a car? Does the cat like to play with a ball? Did the cat like to play with a ball when it was a kitten? Does your boss appreciate your hard work? Did your boss appreciate your hard work in your previous job? Does this restaurant serve vegetarian options? Did that restaurant serve vegetarian options last month? Does the electronics store usually have a lot of sales? Did the electronics store have a lot of sales last year? Does the movie start at 8 p.m.? Did the movie start at 8 p.m. when you watched it? Does your sister enjoy playing video games? Did your sister enjoy playing video games when she was younger?